Alright, today I have the Insta360 and it's set up to where it's just the forward-facing camera. This has two configurations. It can have a 360 configuration, or it can just be a regular action camera that's just viewing out the front, which is what I have it set up as right now. And with this configuration we can shoot 4K at up to 60 frames per second, 2.7K at 100 frames per second, and 1080p up to 200 frames per second. I have here my favorite soda, Spreckers. Shout out to Spreckers. Go try Spreckers. Delicious soda. Anyway, I already drank the soda because I'm not going to waste the precious nectar. I filled this back up with water and we're going to go demolish this. Actually, I'm going to go demolish several of these at different frame rates on the Insta360. First video is going to be the 2.7K at 100 frames per second. Turned out pretty cool. The 2.7K is looking really crispy. Love that. You can even zoom in a little bit there. Still looks good. And the dynamic range on this is so good. Like, you can see the clouds here and you can see the bottle, the front of the bottle at the same time. So the dynamic range is still incredible even at 100 frames per second. Let's go ahead and move on up to 200 frames a second with the 1080p. Pretty fun. I'm gonna move on to some water balloons and like a drill or something. Use a drill bit to pop the water balloons. Maybe they'll kind of spin around and look pretty cool. I also have this bow and arrow, so maybe I'll try shooting one of the water balloons. This one I'm filming back at 2.7K, 100 frames per second. Well, this has been a lot of fun, and I really recommend the Insta360 camera. I really do. I think it's a great camera. If you'd like to check it out, link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to support this channel, we have a Patreon page. We have merch. That's linked in the description below. More videos right here with the Insta360 camera, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. I don't know, whenever I get a video done. I'm trying to work on them every day, but I don't always get it done every day. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I upload my next video. It should be pretty soon. Looking forward to it. See you guys.